We're not going to use that one now. Making.
Can I do it too? That looks like a fishy. I'm watching. Oh, that looks like you're making a fishy. Bell pepper. What's that? Lemon for the taste. Why do you put lemon in fish? Can I mix? Can I make one? That one is seeds.
Yeah, remove it.
Oh my gosh, I can see a lot of seeds going in it.
I know.
Lemon, 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 lemon. Lemon, 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 lemon. Big thing. What's that? For
No, for fish.
Crocodile, crocodile. You can reach it. That's creepy. Get up on the water. It's big creepy. Oh, bleeding.
Yeah, it's still gonna happen.
No, it died. I got the sour one. I got the very sour one. I got the not sour one. No. You have to learn 200 times. Because it's too dangerous. I'm making it orangey. They're supposed to be black. Why you paint it orange?
Yeah, because it puts the
They look like the same. They got lights. You know, I like this bush. I don't know. I'm going. And you know. Is out stopping?
Yes.
It's 12. They look creepy. No, why did we put the
some inside like that?
What if we put in the eyes? You're making them deadly. They look like you're eating. Look.
Okay.
Can I do
And
it?
I'm going to stuff it. No.
It will make you cry.
Then we're gonna put some garlic.
Garlic.
Stuff it with more garlic.
You always bake in the morning?
Huh?
You bake in the morning always?
In the morning?
Yeah, bake in the morning. What do you cut it?
Yeah, I always bake in the morning. Did I put all the garlic
Before-
here? Yes, I put
Before
all the
you
garlic.
go to work?
No.
You eat it. You put something in the eyes. It will die.
The eyes?
Yeah.
You like the eyes?
Yeah, what if you put something in the eyes and you look like he's bleeding?
Okay, and then let's stuff.
Kissy!
Inside. Let's make sure we have enough.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Can you try?
Yeah, after
The
it's
sauce?
cooked.
Want to try? How many minutes for the cupcakes?
Now we're gonna put this aside.
Eat the cupcakes now. How many minutes for the cupcakes?
3 minutes.
Can I eat the fish?
Yeah, you eat the fish, Baba. It's once it's ready, okay?
I smell like cupcakes.
Cupcakes shortly.
The cupcakes are done. I'm cutting a bell pepper. That's dangerous.
Why is it dangerous? Who told you that, Mama?
I'm not saying nobody.
You're just guessing.
Spicy.
Cupcakes?
Yeah.
Pick one.
I'm gonna pick this one.
That one. Pick one.
And take this one.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Yum?
Turn this off. Spicy.
No, it's not.
Put the bell, everything in the bell pepper. Bell pepper. Bell pepper, no bell pepper.
Okay.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's salt.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I thought it was sugar. No! That's enough.
Is it? Garlic powder.
The fish. Put some
Some
oil. Then we don't have to put oil in the pan.
Then mix, mix, mix.
And then do the mixing.
I'm already done, Mama. Next time, okay?
Okay. This time we can do it together.
Next time you can do it together. Okay, so what we're going to do next? Some here.
Mimi, do you see me?
Yes, I can see you, Baba.
I'm closing my eyes. Put it in the fish. Do you see me?
Huh?
Do you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
He's dead. No.
Nolan, he's lost again. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Nolan, are you upstairs?
No, I am down to throw in the garbage.
You went to throw the garbage?
Yeah.
Where? I can't see you.
Behind you.
Behind you.
On the
Behind me.
Can you eat the fish? Garbage. Don't cut it. That's how you cut. Pepper, don't eat it. That's the biggest. I'm a boy. Look. Come on. 3 minutes. That's 3 minutes. Is that some fish?
Yeah, we'll have it after when it's done.
I say, or I ask a question interested in. Me too.
That's enough for today. Now you wait for fish.
You put this on the garbage.
Hey, what?
Wow.